Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix unable to initialize GPU in DaVinci Resolve. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, just need to right click on the DaVinci Resolve and select open file location, copy the file path and then go to search menu and type graphics settings, click on open it. Select add desktop apps and paste the path we copied and press enter. Scroll down and select the resolve.exe over here and select add option. After adding it, click on this drop down in DaVinci Resolve and click on the drop down in GPU preference and select high performance option and just close stuff here. And now check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to check my video description for these three links. You just need to search well graphics card driver guys. To do this, go to search menu and type device manager. You can open it up. Expand the display adapter section and you in here you can able to see your graphics card model name. Now you just need to select your graphics card model name here, GeForce your GPU series where GPU model, select your Windows, select your language and select find option. Scroll down and you will see a Nvidia Studio driver. You just need to download the Studio driver guys. Select the view option, select the download option and after getting download and install this driver. For AMD users, you just need to scroll down and select here graphics in browse product and select the graphics card model in here. After selecting the graphics card model, select the submit option and now expand it. It depends on where Windows you have. And after that, you just need to download the recommended driver guys. As you can see, it says recommended. Select the download option. After getting download and install this driver guys. For Intel users, you just need to download and install this Intel Driver Support Assistant. In my case, I already downloaded, so the download option is missing. After downloading it, you can able to see in here in where system tray Intel Support Assistant. Just right click and select check for new drivers option and select the download all option and this will update your graphics driver guys. After doing these steps, restart your PC. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.